it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Guess what? I got it. I got an entry to my 2K challenge giveaway. Let's check it out. Yeah, I'm hyper today. What can I say? I don't know why, but I am. Maybe it's because it's Friday, right? It is Friday, right? Yep, it's Friday. Let's see who this is from. Ooh, look at this. Ain't that? Ooh, I like this. It's material, guys. Oh, it looks like a little bird. Or is that a fish? I see a bird. People may see a fish. That's what I like about mixed media. Everybody's perspective is different. Let's see who this is from. My name is Renee. YouTube. Oh, this is from Renee, Little Red Wagon. Her birthday's October 6th. Favorite colors are brown, gray, and neutrals. Currently crafting alternative books. BOSDYIs. I don't know what BOSDYIs are. Mixed media and sewing. And she is from Illinois. I love it. I love this. How she did this. It's just different little material that she put on. And it's there. See, I see okay, now I see I see a fish. See this piece right here? I see a fish. I could be wrong. What do you guys see? Little Red Wagon. Awesome. So let me put her information down. There's still time to enter, everybody, if you're wondering. I saw that ad. I was like, I couldn't read the envelope. Her cursive writing. I'm really. So your Little Red Wagon. I like her name. Little Red Wagon. And I will have her channel in the description box if the guys don't know who she is. Go over and say hi. Little. Oh, your little. Oops, I screwed up that one. Gotta put the right name on. Your Little Red. Wonder why how she came up with her name. Wagon. It's cool. I should have asked this. That should have been a question. You had to answer. How did you come up with your YouTube name? Wouldn't that be cool to know? Of course, mine's just easy. Especially the ones like Little Red Wagon. I went like Tina's Crafty Life. Woohoo. You know? I gotta get my bear here. My giveaway bear. Yeah. Boom. I'm putting them in here from now. Probably the day of the drawing, I'll have a smaller container. Just so y'all know. See me pulling it. Pulling it over. I see it again so y'all know it's legit. Little Red Wagon. Boom. So I'm keeping track. And plus I have you on a list. So thank you, Renee, Little Red Wagon, for entering. I greatly appreciate it. Oh, I can get it on. There you go. Riley helped pick out the colors to do the there. I like this. This is so good. I love, okay, the whole purpose, one of the purposes of asking for memory decks cards is I think I like getting little pieces of art from people. I display a lot of what I receive from different crafters, artists, and I think the coolest thing about ATC cards is it's a little piece of art, little piece of craftsmanship from somebody. So that is one of the reasons I asked for ATCs or index cards or memory decks cards, because it's a little bit of heaven from somebody, you know. I got Sabrina's out, so I can get Renee's in the little thing. I'm keeping them all in for now. Eventually, I have a thing I will be putting them all in, but I want to keep them separated right now because I will show everybody's once again on the night of the drawing and go from there. So there is still time to enter this giveaway. I will link the challenge giveaway information video in the description box, as well as Your Little Red Wagon's video YouTube channel. I want to thank each and every one of you that have entered. I'm up to 10 so far. I know there's a lot coming in the next week because I've been sending addresses left and right in my email. Plus, my address is in the about as well. I just remember I put it in there because, you know what? Today's Saturday they can find you, so it's not a P.O. box. It's my home address if you want to stalk me. I do own a gun. People are like, what? Because you can Google people's names these days and find it in this society we live in. You pretty much can find anything out about you. So, and I got another stamp. I've been saving the stamp. Ooh, I hope I don't show our address. I've been cutting the stamps out because these stamps are so cute. Look at that stamp. Isn't that cute? That's the second one I got. So now I got 2 of them. That was a cute one. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm getting Gabby here. Oh, we're all going live tonight. If you're interested, it'll be at 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.